In the evolving world of project management, one truth stands out. The people closest to new technologies, new work styles, and new cultural expectations are often the youngest members of the project team. Yet, for decades, mentoring has flowed in a single direction, from senior, experienced project managers right-pointing arrow to juniors. But today's environment, shaped by AI, digital transformation, hybrid work, rapidly shifting markets, and multi-generational teams, demands a new leadership model. Welcome to Reverse Mentoring, where juniors mentor seniors, and the direction of learning flips with purpose. Project management is no longer a discipline defined only by experience, hierarchy, or tenure. It is a domain shaped by speed, disruption, digital fluency, cross-functional collaboration, and diverse generational perspectives. And in this new reality, many organizations are discovering a profound truth. Some of the most valuable knowledge in a project team now sits at the bottom of the hierarchy, not the top. While senior project managers carry decades of strategic insight, stakeholder wisdom, and leadership maturity, junior team members often hold the keys to the future: emerging technologies, digital collaboration habits, cultural trends, and new ways of problem solving. Traditional mentoring models, where wisdom flows downward from senior to junior, simply do not capture this two-way potential. This is where reverse mentoring becomes revolutionary. Reverse mentoring flips the direction of learning. Instead of juniors receiving all the knowledge, they become teachers, helping senior leaders understand new tools, new work cultures, and new forms of thinking that are essential for delivering modern projects. This is not about age, it is about perspective. It is about recognizing that innovation often comes from those closest to technology and change, not from those longest in the role. In today's hybrid, AI-enhanced, rapidly shifting business landscape, project success depends not only on planning and execution, but on a team's ability to learn continuously and adapt instantly. Reverse mentoring creates exactly that environment. One where learning is democratized, hierarchies soften, curiosity replaces ego, and every voice becomes a strategic asset. When younger professionals coach senior project managers on emerging digital tools, collaboration platforms, or cultural trends, something powerful happens. The project team becomes multidimensional. Skills blend. Perspectives converge. Leadership evolves. Both sides gain, and the project benefits the most. Reverse mentoring isn't just a mentoring method. It is a leadership accelerator, an innovation catalyst, and a strategic advantage for modern PMOs and project-driven organizations. By embracing it, project managers cultivate a mindset that future-proofs their careers. The leadership mindset of someone who is never too senior to learn and never too junior to teach. Why reverse mentoring works in project management. Reverse mentoring is not a trend. It's a strategic response to modern project realities. It acknowledges that expertise is no longer tied only to age or hierarchy. 1. Younger professionals bring the now knowledge. Juniors are often native experts in AI tools, Copilot, ChatGPT, Jira AI, collaboration platforms, no-code, low-code solutions, agile practices, digital minimalism, emerging PM trends, social media, and stakeholder communication styles. These skills can dramatically improve project speed, transparency, and adaptability. 2. Senior PMs bring the deep knowledge. Experienced project managers provide real leadership experience, stakeholder negotiation, risk management, intuition, long-term strategic thinking, governance, compliance, PMO structures, crisis and conflict management. Reverse mentoring blends these layers into a dual-power learning engine. How reverse mentoring elevates project management. Checkmark. It accelerates digital transformation. When younger team members coach senior leaders on AI, automation, and new tools, adoption skyrockets. Instead of resistance to change, you get curiosity plus speed. Checkmark. It builds multi-generational trust. Traditional mentoring can reinforce hierarchy. Reverse mentoring removes barriers, creating psychological safety, honest communication, respect for differences, shared problem-solving culture. Checkmark. It strengthens agile and hybrid teams. Agile values adaptation, quick learning and collaboration. Reverse mentoring fits naturally into sprint retrospectives, continuous improvement loops, innovation culture. Check mark. It unlocks hidden talent. Junior voices often have fresh perspectives, unbiased viewpoints, innovative solutions, more risk tolerance. Reverse mentoring legitimizes those contributions. Check mark. It future-proofs leadership pipelines. PMOs that adopt reverse mentoring create leaders who understand new technologies, appreciate new cultural expectations, communicate across generations, lead with emotional intelligence. This is the blueprint for PMO 2.0 and modern leadership. Practical examples in project environments. Example 1. The AI shift. A junior analyst mentors a senior PM on how to use AI for risk predictions, generate project dashboards, automatically automate stakeholder reports, detect schedule slippages early. The project finishes faster and with clearer decision intelligence. Example 2. Hybrid team optimization. A Gen Z team member teaches how to engage remote participants, how to run asynchronous meetings, how to use digital whiteboards effectively. Suddenly the PM's meetings become more efficient and energetic. Example 3. Cultural relevance for stakeholders. A younger mentor helps reframe communication styles, reduce email overload, improve clarity, speed, and visual storytelling. Stakeholder satisfaction improves dramatically. How to implement reverse mentoring in a PMO or project team. 1. Formalize it. Create a structured pairing system. Junior right pointing arrow, senior skill gaps, right pointing arrow, matched strengths. 2. Define mutual goals. Reverse mentoring works when both sides commit to openness, curiosity, clear communication. 3. Protect the psychological safety. Senior members must feel secure, not judged. Juniors must feel empowered, not hesitant. 4. Integrate into PM routines. Use reverse mentoring in sprint reviews, PMO knowledge sharing tool, onboarding, after action reviews. 5. Measure the impact. Track improvements in tool adoption, project speed, stakeholder satisfaction, risk prevention, team engagement. The future project managers who learn in 360 degrees. Reverse mentoring symbolizes a profound shift. Leadership is no longer about knowing everything, it's about learning from everywhere. In the PM world, where complexity grows and tools evolve at lightning speed, the ability to learn from younger talent becomes a competitive advantage. Senior PMs gain agility. Junior PMs gain confidence. The PMO gains innovation. Projects gain efficiency. The organization gains a future-ready culture. The new leadership mindset for modern project managers. Reverse mentoring is more than a creative HR initiative or a trendy management technique. It represents a fundamental shift in how leadership, knowledge, and innovation flow inside modern project environments. In a world defined by AI acceleration, hybrid work, emerging technologies, and rapidly changing stakeholder expectations, no single generation or level of experience holds all the answers anymore. Today's most effective project managers are not those who simply rely on past experience, nor those who try to manage everything alone. They are the leaders who understand that learning is multi-directional, that expertise can come from unexpected places, and that influence is no longer tied to organizational rank. Reverse mentoring challenges long-held assumptions about who teaches and who learns. It creates a culture where junior professionals become strategic contributors, senior managers remain adaptive and relevant, and the entire project team develops a shared language of curiosity and innovation. It encourages humility in leadership, confidence in emerging talent, and unity across generations, all essential qualities for thriving in complex, high-speed project environments. When reverse mentoring becomes part of a PMO's culture, something powerful happens. Technology adoption accelerates. Communication becomes more human and honest. Younger voices find meaning and purpose. Senior leaders stay connected to real-world trends. Projects gain agility, creativity, and speed. Ultimately, reverse mentoring is not about age or hierarchy. It is about building future-ready project teams where everyone teaches, everyone learns, and everyone grows together. For project managers who want to remain competitive, innovative, and highly effective in the years ahead, the message is clear. Don't just lead from experience, lead from openness. Don't only mentor, be mentored. Embrace reverse mentoring as your secret leadership advantage. Because the next breakthrough in your project may not come from the most experienced voice, but from the freshest one. Call to action: if you are a project manager, ask yourself, who on my team knows something I need to learn? Who can help me see the future through fresh eyes? Invite them to mentor you, in reverse. It might become the most transformative leadership upgrade of your career.